Welcome, beautiful you natural sisters. My name is Shirley. If you are new here, I want to welcome you. We are about to do a very simple, everyday natural hairstyle. So hang around with me and let's go ahead and get started. My rubber band. Alright, lovelies, let's go ahead and start styling this hair. So first, you want to section your hair into two parts. Once you are done sectioning your hair into two parts, you want to put the back of your hair in a bun, and you can use a rubber band to do that. So as soon as you're done with that, we are going to be twisting our hair. And the hair, when you're twisting it, you want to do it you want to make sure that it is loose. We're not doing like tight twist. So go ahead and keep twisting it. Once you're done twisting, we will be tucking it under the rubber band, and I will go ahead and pin it. So when I started, I did not start pinning it right away. I wanted to go ahead to finish twisting all my hair that I want to use for the bun. So once I was done with that, I went ahead to use my closed bobby pin to make sure that it was well secured. Alright, lovely. So this hair is okay. Alright, we are done with the back. All that we did was to twist and pin it. We now moving on to the front. So in the front, I went ahead to section it and I am twisting it. I'm going to show you two different styles that you can create for the front. And if you like the first one, you can go with that. But if you like the second one, you can choose that as well. So all that again I did was to twist it and tuck it under. So enjoy watching. If you are new here, again, my name is Shirley. I am so glad you are hanging out with me today. Please make sure you hit the subscription button and the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will not miss it. I hope your weekend was good, and I hope this coming up week is going to be a great week for you. Please like, share, and comment. And again, my natural sisters, share with another natural sister, a family, a friend, and let's grow this channel together. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.